Nice, beautiful 215A. Now, for those who don't know, these have, just like the 334s, have the shallow spools. So, to pick this, I use 50 foul top of the keyway turner and a bare bones DeForest diamond in 23 thou, but a medium hook works just as well. We use light tension, put the pick all the way to the back, and just hunt for the binder. And we've got a click and a false set there. Another clickish there. Good click there, back into a false set. Click there. Bit of a stiffy there. Click up on that one. And there we go. Got it open. Right, let's do that again. Top of the keyway, light tension. Back at the lock. And just hunt for the binder. Oop, dropped a pin. Got a false set there. And a nice click. Click there. Up at the front, click. And open again. Okay. One more time. All the way to the back. Found our first binder. Clicked it. False set. Oop. Another click. Back into a false set. Click again. Another false set. Click there. And I'm going to click and hold on. Didn't get open. There we go. Back into a false set. So I might have overset something, or something's not quite set. There we go. Now okay, time to gut. You can do bottom of the keyway. With this keyway, some keyways, obviously, the more restricted keyways, you might not be able to do top of the keyway, so bottom of the keyway is to go. But for the standard C4 LW4 LW5 keyway, which is this one, I always do top of the keyway. Just pop the top off. Oops. Come on. Come around this side. There we go. Oops. There we go. Finally. I had to go through the top because, unfortunately, I ended up grounding off one of the heads of the screws at the back. Unfortunately. But that's okay. We can still get it from the top. Thankfully. This guy's a little bit stuck in here. Come on. There you go. Okay. So as you can see, these can be pinned to 6, but out of the factory, just like the 324s, they're pinned to 5. Get the first lot out. Pin 1. And its driver. Pin 2. And its driver. Pin 3. Its driver. Be pin 4 and its driver. Where the hell did that go? There we go. Right, there we go. Let me just bring the camera in. There's our pins and springs. And there you go. Now, if you're ever having trouble with these shallow spools or thin lip spools, if you do have the key, don't be afraid to progressively pin it. It took me a while to get used to them too. And still not focusing. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, don't be afraid to progressively pin. Remember, top of the keyway, light tension. DeForest diamond or medium hook. You want it in the more thicker. The thicker the better. You can do it with thinner picks. I have done it in with 20 thou picks, but it's a lot easier with 23. And there you go. Hope this helps.